where ambition meets opportunity. It's no surprise that this city, with its world-class infrastructure, prime location, and business-friendly policies, attracts entrepreneurs from across the globe. And if you want to set up the shop in this thriving metropolis, opening a Dubai Mainland Company is your golden ticket to success. And why do you choose Mainland Company? With the Dubai Mainland Company, you can operate anywhere in the UAE or internationally. Unlike free zone entities that have restrictions, whether you are targeting local consumer or a global market, a mainland setup gives you access to all. Still thinking standing on the fence? Here's what you need to know more. 100% ownership in the Mainland Company as well. Unlimited business reach, go local, go global, it's your call. Streamlined visa process for your employees and your family, and access to lucrative government contracts, often closed, not for free zone companies. Here's fun fact. Mainland companies contribute over 70% to Dubai's GDP. So ready to dive in? Here's your 5-step guide to setting up a Dubai Mainland Company. Step 1. Choose your business activity. What's your jam? Trading, consulting, manufacturing, services? Dubai's Department of Development offers over 2,000 business activities. Just make sure your choice aligns with the regulations and then you're good to go. Step 2. Pick your legal structure. Want an LLC, a branch foreign company, a sole establishment company? One pro tip. Over 90% of mainland companies Dubai are LLCs, but they offer 100% ownership, safety and freedom. Sounds like a win-win. Step 3. Register your trade name. Your trade name is your brand identity. Over 50,000 trade names were registered in Dubai just last 1 year. So pick up one that is catchy and memorable. Just imagine your brand name flashing on Dubai skyline one day. Step 4. Getting the necessary approvals. Got your trade name? Now it's time to get the thumbs up from DD. Depending on your business activity, you might also need some approvals from other authorities like Dubai Municipality, Ministry of Health. Seems like some bureaucracy in place? No. Big deal. When you are backed up by DD and Dhanguard, you will never face an issue. Step 5. Lease an office space. Unlike free zone companies, mainland companies need a physical office. From sky-high offices with Burj Khalifa views to budget-friendly spaces, Dubai has something for every wallet. Plus, having an address in Dubai gives you instant credibility. And there are so many co-working space, just like one Dhanguard offers. So now the final step. Get your trade license. Once the paperwork is done, you will receive your trade license from DVD. Boom, you're officially in the business. Wait, before you go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insights on business. See you in the next video. And remember, Dubai is not just a city, it's a launch pad for your success.